Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another thrift haul. I did go thrifting again when I was down this weekend with my family, and I did pick up quite a few pieces that I'm really excited to show you guys. We got some Y2K feeling tops. I finally thrifted some cargo pants, which I've been looking for a while. Some fairy grunge-esque clothing pieces as well. We got skirts, pants, shirts, all of it. This will be very fun indeed. I'm also very excited to style a lot of these pieces because some of them are a little outside my comfort zone. So yeah, we'll have to see how I do in the try-on clips, what I pair it with. Let's just jump right into it. As you can see, we have 2 bags this time, so a much bigger haul than I think I've done in the past. Let's start off with some shorts. These are a little out there, in my opinion. I have a hard time styling kind of like more masculine clothing sometimes. I don't know why, but I got these brown cargo shorts. They're from the little boys section, of course. The brown color is really nice. I definitely have more of an earth-toned wardrobe for the most part. I guess I do have some bright pastels. My shirt is very bright and floral right now, but I do have a lot of earth-toned clothing, so that's super nice, and hopefully it'll pair with it really good. I'll be honest, I'm skeptical to see if I can pull these off and style them good, but I've seen so many girlies do it on Instagram and Pinterest, and I want to be cool like them, so we're gonna try it and see if we can make it kind of a effortless, chic look instead of little boy going to summer camp. We will see. It's the first item. Next up, I'll show you the skirt I got. This one is so cute. I actually really like the length of this. I feel like it's kind of unique. A lot of my skirts are either very long or a little bit shorter, and this is kind of just right in between, so pretty pumped about that, I'd say. This print is really cool and kind of unique too. Again, I'm getting the fairycore vibes from it, so I think it'd be cute with a little blouse, or if you wanted to make it a little bit edgier and alternative, you could do it with a t-shirt and some combat boots. It'll be versatile, and I think it'll be really cute for spring and summer, so very happy with this purchase as well. Next up, going with the floral theme here, well, I'll show you one of my shirts I got. It's this little black shirt with some flowers on it. Usually I don't like v-necks, but I thought this one was really cute and kind of flattering. So I was very excited when I tried it on and it looked decent. I think tops like these are just so easy to throw on and pair with a cute pair of jeans or a cute white skirt. Super easy, and again, super breezy and fun for summer and spring. Yeah, another little good basic for my wardrobe. Next up, I am very excited about these. I have been seeing cargo pants everywhere, from every Insta baddie I follow, from every cool girl on TikTok. They're just all the rage, and I finally found some and picked some up. They are a little bit too big for me, like loose on the waist, and it's easy to fix with a belt or even just like a little shoelace or something. The color on these I think is gorgeous. I didn't want anything too bright green, if that makes sense, like army green, and so I think this one's a little more faded into a sort of green-gray color, and I think it looks really cool, and I'm pretty pumped to wear these and style them. I feel like, you know, Lindsay Lohan and Freaky Friday, that is the vibe we want. Rocker chick from the 2000s. Pretty excited about this, I could say, you know. Next, to kind of go with those pants a little bit, I picked up this little baseball tee. I'll be honest, it does kind of look like something I'd wear in middle school, and that is kind of a hard pill to swallow. I don't know, I think the green and pink is really cute, and my friend was like, just get it. It will look really nice with the pants you got, and it was true. I paired it with the cargo pants, and it was cute. It was a vibe, so hopefully I'm looking more 2000s Y2K-esque than, you know, a 12-year-old who doesn't know how to dress herself. But yeah, that's the shirt I got. Next up, I got some low-rise black jeans. I have a hard time sometimes with low mid-rise pants. It's hard to find some that are flattering and look good with a bunch of shirts, but I thought this one was really cute. It kind of fits like another pair I have, so that's what kind of sold me on it. And I almost never have black jeans that work for me for some reason. Black jeans for me are just like rare Pokemon that I cannot track down, you know what I'm saying? Length is difficult though. They are a little bit long, so we'll see how I make that work. On to the next. This top is one of my favorites from the haul. Funny story, me and my friend Danelle, love you bestie, my friend Danelle went thrifting together, and as we were picking out stuff, she was like, oh, this shirt is really cute, and I was like, yeah, try it on. So she tried it on, and she was like, actually, no, you get the shirt, I don't want it. And I was like, thank you so much. So I tried it on and I thought it was really cute. I really like the neckline. For me personally, I have a hard time with square necklines looking good, but this one did the job. It was not showing my bra straps or anything crazy like that. So also just really love the stripes and the color scheme. It was giving me 90s vibes, or even like 80s Stranger Things vibes, so I was pretty pumped about that as well. All I want to do is look like I'm in a 90s sitcom of some sort. Love this shirt. Love it. Thanks, Danelle. Speaking of shirts, I also got this purple long sleeve shirt. I thought it was super cute. The texture was kind of nice and it is kind of warmer, but I thought it'd be good for layering and even just good for breezy days. I thought the design on this was kind of cool. It's giving me the Y2K vibes. I don't know if I'm correct, but that's what vibes it's giving me, so I'm labeling it. It feels like a Y2K shirt to me. It feels like Lorelai Gilmore would wear this on a casual day, and I do want to be her. So I have one more thing from this haul. Sorry, I don't know if it's as long as I was making it sound like it was going to be, but I want to show you guys regardless. So these are very cool in my opinion. Again, we have some low rise going on, but I just thought the wash and the pockets on these were too cool to pass up, and so I thought they would be really cute low-rise jeans to put into my wardrobe, and I'm so glad I picked them up. They are the brand Big Star, I think, so I don't know if that's a big deal or not, but that's what they are. And yeah, I just think the wash on them is amazing, and that they'll go with any cute Y2K top, and it'll be super easy to wear with my platform sneakers, so I'm just so pumped about them. The only thing is they are distressed, and I guess there's a little bit of a hole near the crotch, but it's not big enough. I don't think it's too big of a deal. Yeah, I'm super pumped. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really am getting super excited about fashion again and exploring different types of clothing, so I hope you guys will stick around for that little journey with me, and yeah, I will see you guys next week. Bye!